Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, I started this channel off intending it to be a political channel. I really did. I intended to use the channel as a tool to voice my political views, especially on the Nigerian political scene. That was the plan. But then they said if life gives you egg, you make an omelette. So that was my plan until about a week ago when I happened upon the beef between Soma Aku and Obodo Oyinbo. Now, prior to happening upon that beef, I've been putting out content, and I'll be lucky if any of my videos got 10 views, and half of those 10s, 5 of those 10s is probably me watching it myself. So really it was a channel that wasn't really doing anything. So I happened on this beef between Obodo Oyinbo and Soma Aku. As I said, I did a little video just to poke fun at these two women, and suddenly it blew up. From getting 10 views sometimes, and I'm happy thinking I'm doing so great, I was actually now getting views in the hundreds and now even in the thousands. So all my comment section is filled, all sorts of comments, from the great and the not so good. I'm more so the not so good than the great, because it's a lot of attack comment, really, which is good fun. I enjoy that. There was this particular lady that actually came into my comment section asking me if I was she called me an amebo first, which in Nigeria is like a gossip, and so she said, a male, I'm a man and I'm an amebo. And then she then went on to us, and this really made me laugh, and I gave her a name, by the way. I called her Madam with the big bottom, just to poke fun back at her, of course. But she went on to say, she said, oh, do I stand akimbo and gyrate and roll my eyes? So that made me laugh. I said, well, okay, well, I can stand akimbo, gyrate and roll my eyes. I'm on YouTube to try and get some of that AdSense revenue, because I'm intending to use this YouTube to try and buy myself maybe like a holiday cottage in Scotland or in France, more so in France than in Scotland, but one of those two places. So I'm intent on getting one of those, and I'm intent on using YouTube money to get that. So if it requires me having to stand akimbo, gyrate and roll my eyes, well, I can do. I don't mind being laughed at. So that's all. It's only that you'd have to show me how to do it, because otherwise it might come off a bit clumsy. But I digress. So yeah, like I said, the Soma Aku and the Obodo Oyinbo beef are by far and away my most viewed videos, and one of them, which is now approaching 2,000 views rather, is about 100 times all of my previous views probably put together. So now that's an eye opener. So now I intended to do politics, but it seems as though this online, well, let's call it gossip, because it is really what it is. It seems to be the future direction of travel, and if you have lime, you make lemonade and all that. I'm not quite sure how that saying goes. So that is the thinking. If this is the direction of travel that is being pointed by the channel, then who am I to say no? I strap myself in and I go on that ride. So I was strolling around YouTube the other day, minding my own business, when I happened upon a channel called Esther Modella. And really it wasn't really anything but like it was the thumbnail that really made me click on it. The thumbnail and then the title. So the thumbnail is a pretty young girl. Obviously everybody clicks on the thumbnail that has a pretty young girl on it, and then the title of the video as well, it says hateful comment on Carol White cream. So now, coming off the back of the some Aku Obodoyibo gains that I got. So I thought obviously that, okay, there's another beef going on here, so let me go find out what this beef is, see if it's something that I can tap into and exploit. So I clicked on the video, and it was this young lady, Nigerian. She sounded like that Igbo type, Edo type, you know, of that, in that direction of Nigeria. So she was really sounded quite upset, quite uptight, quite there was a lot of angst in her voice, and she was raving and jiving, and she was virtually bouncing off the walls. She was incandescent with rage, but she was trying to put it together. You know, when you're seething with rage, but then you are now being deliberate in your voice because you're so angry that you don't want to let go, because you know if you do let go, then you just go boom. So she was that mad. So then I decided to have a watch, and I was thinking, okay, so who is this person then that she's having this beef with? So I watched the video a bit. So this Carol White that she's actually battling it out with is not actually a person. I subsequently discovered it was actually some skin toning thing that black women use. So apparently she done a review on this skin toning something, this Carol White. She done a review on it, and she wasn't particularly keen on some of the comments that she got in her comment section, and she was sufficiently miffed enough to spark her cameras up and pop out a video. I did actually have a few exchanges with her just to find out what was going on. So I was asking her, who is this Carol person, and she was saying no, it's not actually a person, it's a cream that she done this review, and then this person left some comment in her comment section. Now the comment section of a YouTube channel can be quite cutting, and you need a thick skin to be on YouTube, because there are people out there watching your video. All manners of people are watching your video, from the damaged to the jarred, to the happy, to the unhappy, to the young, to the old. You know, so it's pretty much the whole garment of humankind. So really, the comment section will reflect that, and the comment section will also reflect your tonality, the subject matter, etc., and people's experiences with that subject matter as well. So clearly somebody of that community, this Carol White cream community, who has had an experience with this Carol White thing, has now taken it upon herself to challenge this girl's review, and that Carol, this person, the person who's left the comment, obviously has had a mixed bag experience with this Carol White thing, and that experience is then in contrast with the experience that is being narrated by this Esther Modella person. So I'm going to actually cut a clip of our video. She will okay it, because I'll probably just drop her a line and see if she's okay for me to do that. I just cut a strip of a video just for you, really, just to hear her tone, so you can hear the rage in there as well. Or I might well not do that. I might well just do this, because I don't tend to put images or put that sort of stuff on my videos, but I will put a link to her video anyway, because I am now using her name to make a video, so that's really a fair exchange. But it did make me chuckle though. Oh, I wonder how she would react if she got some of my comments, because you know, I've had to be quite a few doozies in my comment section. I'm really looking forward to that actually, guys. I do not mind the hate comments, the the nasty comments. I don't mind any of those. What I do mind is just calling me an idiot or something like that. It's very that's make it interesting, make it witty, you know, so that I at least laugh as you abuse me, you know. So let me get something out of it as well. Let me get a laugh out of it as well. So you are giving me the abuse, you are getting that. So let me get a laugh out of it as well. And the only way I'll get a laugh out of the abuse that you're dishing my way is if you make it original and witty. So I don't mind the abuse, but I loathe an unthinking comment. So make it a thinking comment, make it a thinking abuse. I don't want abuse, but I don't mind abuse. So either way, I'm not that fussed, but do make it witty. That I am fussed about. I like wit, I like humor, I like that rapier wit thing, I like that back and forth, the contretemps, I like all of that. So, but please make it witty, not just, oh, this stupid guy. No, yes, that's easily said, and anybody can't say that. So make it witty. So yes, so now this young lady has opened my eyes to a new community. Of course, I'm aware that there's a lot of skin toning type of whatnot going on amongst black people and Asian people, but I never knew that it was this aggressive a community, to the point that a young lady is half in tears on YouTube fighting back against comments left by somebody that she has never met and almost likely will never meet, just off the back of a review of something that of a product. It's effectively me reviewing a mobile phone, and then somebody saying, oh, your review is shit, and then I'm sufficiently miffed to the point that I'm sparking up my camera to charge onto YouTube and give the person what for. And she did give that person what for, because the comments that she's referencing actually cut into elements within her that she wasn't willing to take. It made references to her heritage, it makes references to her ancestry, and the one thing that you do not make reference to is the ancestry of people from that section of Nigeria, because they're very guarded about that, and they trace back through lineage. So family is a key part of their being and culture and ethnicity. They're very grounded in all of that. So really, the worst thing you can say to elements like this lady is to really go in that direction and make acerbic remarks about their parentage or their ancestry. People have been shot for less in that part of the world. So it made me laugh, and fingers crossed it makes you laugh as well. I'm looking forward to some response that this video does get. If it's along the lines of the Soma Aku Obodo Oyinbo type response and views, then that will then tell me that this should be the future direction of this channel. I'm not particularly fussed. I will still be sneaking in a few political videos in there every now and then, but if people just want some of the other this sort of irreverent look are going on on YouTube, especially going on in a particular section of YouTube, then if that's what you want, then I'm your Huckleberry. I'm here, I'll do it, I don't give a beep, let's go, and then let's have it. And there's any other beef that is going on. I did say to this lady, actually, I was exchanging messages with her, this Esther Modella, and I was saying to her, look, the best thing you can do as well, this will serve both yourself and myself. You're a pretty young lady. She looks like she would be in her 20s. She's very pretty, so I said, okay, so go look for somebody of a similar ilk, a pretty young lady as well, on YouTube around about your subscriber level, and pick a fight with her. What's more delightful than two young girls beefing it out online. You go pick that fight. I'll make my usual Arabic videos on it, and let's go that route. But she wasn't having it, of course. She said, who are you, this man? Get out of my DM, man. And woe betide and all that. But, you know, I jest, but yeah. So there we have it. Carol White and Esther Modella. Those are the two names to conjure with. I never do anything about those two names, those two terms never crossed my mind yesterday. But now they are firmly ensconced in my mind, to the point that I'm actually making a video about it, and thus goes the life of YouTube. Okay, so I'm looking for the response that this video gets, you know, and then that sends a clear signal to me. I want the views, I want the subscriptions, and I'm wanting those subscriptions as well. So you can't just come onto my channel and abuse me for free. You know, if you are going to come to my channel and abuse me, at least reward me with a subscription. I need to hit targets for the YouTube algorithm, and those targets is ably helped by your subscription. So please drop one of those. With that, I'll leave you there. I'll leave you here, and I'll meet you in the comment section where we can carry on this conversation. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, and I'll say peace.